Good morning, students. Today we are going to study the lesson from your book Applied English. The name of the chapter is Biographical Sketch. Chapter number 4, Biographical Sketch. So you all open your book, page number 47, Biographical Sketch. Biographical sketch is a type of descriptive writing, In this writing, we give the description, main events and actions in the life of a person. What are the main events and actions in the life of a person? About those most important events and actions in life of persons we write in the biographical sketch. Biography, life history. So page number 48, I read with the help of given facts about some of the great personalities, write their bio sketch. Question is that there are some great personalities, all their bio sketch you have to write. First number is Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, most famous person, one of the most famous scientists and also president of our country. About him we have to write. So first we read birth. Birth is October 15, 1931 at Dhanuskodi, Rameswaram, Tamil Nadu state. Early education at Rameswaram. College, St. Joseph College, Trichy. Achievement, atom bomb experiment done under his guidance is called the Missile Man of India. Conferred Bharat Ratna, became the President of India. And mission to make India superpower in the world. So students, we have been given some hints, information. They are not complete sentences. Informations for writing bio sketch is already given, but they are not complete sentences. We have to write them in complete sentence structure. First subject, then verb, then object. If you write the same thing given in the hint, it will be wrong. So you should never leave, must use subject, verb, object. Only then it will be correct. Otherwise it will be wrong. So how will we write? I speak. I am going to speak. What will we write? Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam was a great personality. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam was a great personality of India. He was born on October 15. He was born on October 15, 1931 at Dhanuskodi. He completed his early education. At Rameswaram in Tamil Nadu. Then he joined St. Joseph College, Trichy. After that, atom bomb experiments was done under his guidance. He became great scientist and atom bomb experiments was done under his guidance. He made many missiles. So we call him the Missile Man of India. So we call him the Missile Man of India. he received Bharat Ratna. He received Bharat Ratna, which is India's highest civilian honor. Bharat Ratna, India's highest civilian honor. He was elected the 11th President of India in 2002. His only mission in his life was to make India a superpower in the world. So students, this way we will write. Second, going to discuss second number. Vardhaman Mahavir. Vardhaman Mahavir was a great Jain saint from Jain religion. Great Jain. Birth 599 BC at Kundagram near Vaisali in Bihar he was born. Early education at Gurukul, studied Sanskrit. Marriage, wife Yashoda. Search for truth, wandered for 12 years. Enlightenment at the age of 42 near Jrimbikogram, became Mahavira or great hero. Teachings, tenets of Jainism, Nirvan in 527 BC at Bihar. So in short, incomplete words and phrases are the hints. We have to write them in complete, meaningful sentences. What will you write? We'll write Vardhaman Mahavir. Vardhaman Mahavir was a great Jain saint of our country. He was born in a royal family. At Kundagram near Vaisali in 599 BC. He received his early education at Gurukul and studied there Sanskrit. At very young age, he married Yashoda. After his parents' death, he left his home. He wandered for 12 years in search of truth. At the age of 42, near Jimbikogram, he attained enlightenment or knowledge while meditating under a tree. Then he became known means famous. Then he became known as Mahavir or the great hero. His teachings is known as tenets of Jainism. In 527 BC, he got Nirvan. Nirvan means death. He got Nirvan at Pawa in Bihar. So students, this way you have to write. That's all for today. Thank you.